And this will be how to use the OpenStreetMap if you can't figure out, if the posted speeds on the map are all zeros and you can't, it's not clear on the map where stuff is from or what the speed limit is, you can use OpenStreetMap. So all you have to do is, and whoever is working in here, stop working and check out what we're doing here. So when I have something, let's say I can't pull it up, I just click the OpenStreetMap link, and there's just a couple quick steps to be able to get there. It doesn't give you a pin or anything, but it does put you on that piece of roadway. And you use this query features button. You have to click on the right and then click the roadway. And then over here, it'll give you, the features that are around here. And you want this primary road link. When you click that primary road link, the max speed is 35. So this would be 35. So to show you guys that again, do a different one. If I'm not sure what the speed limit is from the map, I go to OpenStreetMap. I use, it's going to put me, and this is a case where I'd actually need to refer back to the ArcGIS map, like which one am I actually after? And let's say it was this ramp. Well, actually, let's say it's Jim Dean Drive, because I doubt the ramp has a speed limit. I'm going to click the area. It gives me nearby features. I click this roadway, and it'll highlight, when you hover over it, it'll show you what piece of road you're looking at. It'll highlight it orange. And if I click that, this is a case where you don't know the speed limit based on the OpenStreetMap because it doesn't have data. And in this case, you'd have to go to Google Maps and drop down to Street View and see if you can find any street signs, speed limit signs in Google Maps. Let's see if these other areas have speed limits. Again, query features, click the roadway. It'll give you choices and you click them. Yeah, this one doesn't have a speed limit either, but for this one, remember on ramps, we use the speed limit of the road that the ramp is coming from. So in this case, if you're asked for the speed limit of this ramp, you would use the speed limit of this highway. And of course, that doesn't have the speed limit either. So it's not a perfect tool, obviously, but you're looking for that max speed value once you click on the different areas. So what questions do you guys have? Daniel, what was the one that you pasted in a photo of? Do you remember which one of these it was?
I believe it was this one right here. Yeah, it's this one.
The SEG 2978 curve one?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Is that the one we just looked at?
Possibly.
Does that look like what we want?
That's it.
Okay. So if I click the query features, I click that piece of roadway, it gives me a couple of choices. So if East State Street doesn't show up I could also try this MLK Street. So that would be 30.
Okay.
And if like you can also try this because this is only giving you the info for this piece. You could also try it if there wasn't a max speed value for this piece, you could look at the next piece down, and I'm okay with using the speed limit for that. I mean, you don't want to go any farther than that, but if I just go a little farther down the road, and I could use this. If this area didn't have one, I could do like, one one click down the road in either direction to see if I could find the speed limit. But in this case, this is a perfect example of click it, make sure that it matches up with the piece of road you're looking at in ArcGIS, query features, click the roadway, click the street, max speed 30. Bam. Sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Let's get back to it.
Thanks.
All right, bye.